इज ऑल ह्यूमन बींग्स आर बॉर्न फ्री एंड इक्वल। इन हिंदी, सभी इंसान आजाद जन्म लिया है और सभी को बराबरी का अधिकार है। The second articles of human rights are all are entitled to their rights and freedom without discrimination. In Hindi, सभी को बिना किसी भेदभाव के अपने अधिकार और स्वतंत्रता के अधिकार है। 3. The right to life, liberty and security of person. In Hindi, हर एक व्यक्ति का कर्तव्य है कि वो स्वतंत्रता और सुरक्षा के साथ जिए। No one shall be hid in survived in survived। किसी को गुलामी में नहीं रखा जाएगा, किसी को भी सेवा नहीं दी जाएगी। Slavery। Number 5. No one shall be subjected to torture or inhuman cruelty। In हिंदी, किसी की भी साथ अमान्य व्यवहार और यातना नहीं करना चाहिए। Article 6 is the rights to be recognized as a person before a law. Everyone, respected administrators and teachers, all my dear friends, I am Adarsh Kumar from class 7. Today I here to say something about human rights. There have mainly 30 articles on human rights, and I tell about 7th article that all are entitled to equality protection of law. Is the fundamental principle inside by many documents like Declaration of Human Rights Article 7 and Indian Constitution Article 14, which means every people treated equality under the law and apply law fairly and without discrimination. That's all. Thank you. Article 8. The right. 7. Article 8. The right to treated fair by constitutions and
fair by
law. That's all. Thank you. Good morning, all of you. I am Akash Kumar of class 7. I am say about Article 9 of human rights. No subjections to arbitrary arrest, unfair detention exists. Thank you. All are entitled in full equality in a fair trial and public hearing.
Good morning. Article 11 states a person is innocent until proven guilty. Thank you. Respected principals, sir, teachers and dear students, I am Sakshi Das from class 8. Today I show Human Rights Article 12. In Article 12, the right to privacy and protection against interference. In Hindi, निजता का अधिकार एवं हस्तक्षेप से सुरक्षा. Thank you. I'm Shalu from class 8. I am here to present with Article 13. In Article 13, it say about the freedom of movement and residence. In Hindi, हमें कहीं भी जाने और बसने की आज़ादी है. Article 4, the right to seek and enjoy asylum from persecution. In Hindi, उत्पीड़ितों से शरण और आनंद लेने का अधिकार. Saradhyam from class 8. 16. Today's Human Rights Day, and I am say about Article 15. The right to a nationality and freedom to change it. हम अपनी राष्ट्रीयता में बदलाव ला सकते हैं.
When it full is the right to marriage and to found a family.
Right to own and not be own and not to be deprived of one's property.
Article 18 Human Rights of freedom of doubt, conscience and religion.
Human rights, the freedom of opinion and expression.
Fifth article of basic human rights, the freedom of peaceful assembly and association.
My name is Rani Kumari from Article 21. The right of take part in the government democracy voting. In Hindi, सरकार में भाग लेने का अधिकार लोकतंत्र में और मतदान.
Say loud.
I am Antika Raj from class 9. Article
Speak loudly. Not within your voice.
Very good boys.
to rest our leisure resemble work hours holiday. In हिंदी, आराम और अवसर अधिकार अनुचित कार्य घंटे छुट्टियां.
गुड मॉर्निंग की पहले बच्चों Article 25, the right for social service and a standard of living सामाजिक इन हिंदी सामाजिक सेवा और जीवन स्तर का अधिकार.
आप खुद
Seven, from class 9. I am here to represent 26th articles of the human rights, that is the right of education. I am Saurabh Sagar from class 9. I am here to state the 27th article of the basic human rights. It states that the right to enjoy the cultural life of the community.
Here to say about Article 28. That means right to free and fair world. That means in Hindi, संसार को सही, स्वतंत्र एवं निष्पक्ष बनाना.
I am Ayush Raj from class 9. Today I am here to tell you about right 29. Right to protect the right and freedoms and the duty in the community. That's